All right, I'm ready. Go.
One thing that I hope my peers get out of participating at this event is the actual skill of the procedure, and obviously having a lot of fun and trying new things they haven't done before.
Remember, you have to remove it from the body to count as a procedure.
So this is the ICOM Olympics. We have 9 different procedures and 6 different clubs involved.
For the last 4 years, there's been an Anesthesia Olympics. Last year, we decided that should be the end of the Anesthesia Olympics, and it should expand into encompassing more groups and more students.
So Anesthesia Club has adult intubation, epidurals, and lumbar puncture. Emergency Medicine Club has cricothyrotomy and central line. The Surgery Club has laparoscopic ring trainers. The Ultrasound Club has the ultrasound fast exam. And the OB/GYN Club has the cervical dilation and effacement.
Each team consists of 3 students, either all first-year students or all second-year students. Each member of the team is responsible for doing 3 events for a total of 9 events. Each event is scored on a scale of 0 to 5. Their cumulative score is then added up to determine the winners.
After some incredibly intense competition amongst the second years, the first place team for the second years goes to Team 40.
Since you're doing events that are designed to be hand-based, they're all hand skills, what could be more appropriate than an award that basically has 2 hands staring at you? I thought that was just right on target. When it comes to a team that won overall, the Laryngeal Masketeers,
I think it's really important to have events like this on campus for students. It gets students involved and it gets them away from studying for a little bit, and even though they're not studying, they're still technically learning new things, but they're having fun while doing it.
I think next year it's going to be bigger as class sizes are both large. I think it's the kind of thing that's going to have a lot of buzz to it, and I can only see this thing growing year to year, and I'm looking forward to that.